cut this thing, right?
I don't know how. Hi, people.
This is gonna be a really boring video.
So I decided to collaborate with my best friend Landon because... What are you doing? There we go. She's wearing my jacket and she sprayed tag all over herself.
You can't even see me. I like the dark shadow of the night.
The dark shadow of the night. Hi.
Hi.
I'm wearing your hat. I look so snazzy.
I'm gangster.
Landon. Yes, it goes up and down. It's a little weird. She pranks phone calls. God. She pranks phone calls. Medical marijuana places. I have a Voyager. And we're gonna call her in a number, so expect another video. Bye!